update, park update, not a car update this time. At the park right now, just relaxing. My daughter's playing in the background here. I just hit the bronze level in Livegood last night. I had actually a pretty cool guy met through Cliqly, through, I think it was Lead Hero, that brought them directly into the opt-in page and directly into the funnel of going into Cliqly. And he's from the UK. We both have the same first name, so that was like a perfect match right there. So the rapport was built like automatically. I was like, you got the coolest name in the world, you got the same as I got, so heck, can't go wrong there. So that was really cool. And he was telling me that he was going to upgrade this week, and I got a little confused because I've been promoting like Livegood, Cliqly, List Infinity, My Automatic Pay. Sometimes the map, I don't really promote that too much anymore, but the three primary businesses I promote. And I was thinking, which one he's going to upgrade to? I have no idea. So it turns out, it happened last night, and he became a paid affiliate and a paid member with Livegood. So now that brought in my second paid affiliate member on my team in Livegood. So now I'm in the bronze. I'm at the bronze level now. So that's pretty exciting, I think. You know, it's a nice little step forward. You get like a little tiny, you get some type of bonus out of being bronze. That's how much I know. I haven't even, I gotta go over the comp plan again, because I like totally forgot. I got so into Cliqly that I forgot a lot of these other programs I'm in. That was quite exciting to see that happen in the middle of the night when I was asleep, and then I wake up, I check my email, and I see the Livegood email saying congratulations. You know, I just had a person opt in, and then the other email came out, congratulations. They just placed an order to become a paid affiliate and paid member on your team. So that gets me into the bronze. So that happens at midnight Thursday. Every Thursday the whole system updates, and all the sales start showing up. The commission is going to show up from the bonus, instant bonus I get. It's $25 per person. And then my name is going to turn the color of bronze, sort of like a dark gold color in Livegood, because I get promoted to the bronze level. And then it fills in my matrix, one more person, and I want to help them for sure. And the other person that's on my team too, I really want to reach out and help them out. And eventually I want to get a funnel. I want to get a team rotator together where I can send them off some extremely high quality tier 1 USA only traffic that converts like crazy from Lead Hero. And I'm going to leave a description. In the description of this video, I'm going to leave links to Lead Hero, my special invite link to get also 20 or 25 or 30% off. So there's a discount if you use my link for Lead Hero. The best traffic in the industry right now, I think, online. I haven't seen nothing as good as this before. I'm gonna leave an invite link to my team for Livegood. I want you guys to join, because I'm gonna set up a team rotator very soon. And join me in Cliqly. I'm gonna leave a link for Cliqly, which is doing really well. I'm earned over $900 in Cliqly so far, so I'm doing really well there. I have a list of over 20,000 subscribers in my openers list for Cliqly, so that's doing really good. So very excited about that. So things are taking off really well. As soon as I lost my job, things have really jumped up like crazy. Things are taking off left and right. So I think maybe losing my job could have been the best thing ever. So hey, I think I'm finally over the pain on that one there. But yeah, doing very well. So guys, join me if you like what you see on my videos. I got about 67 other videos to watch, or 66 total in my channel, that goes over all kinds of stuff, cool stuff. You know, if you like what you see, like what you hear, subscribe and hit the like button. And also check out join my team. Join the links on the bottom in the description of this video for the best traffic in the world. Is how I'm making all my sales. You can be a part of that too. I share everything. I'm not holding no secrets. I mean, that is the honest truth. The traffic and the sales are coming all from this one traffic source. I won't lie about that because, I mean, you know that it's real, right? Because I'm not good at recruiting, as you can imagine. I have a hard time recruiting people. So that traffic has saved me a tremendous amount of time and effort and misery of trying to recruit people and trying to put myself out there. So doing very well with this. I'm pretty excited here. And so go ahead, check out the links below in the description of my video. And yeah, let me know if you guys on my team need any help too. If you've seen this video, Cliqly or Enlist Infinity or Livegood, I got all these businesses I'm running now. So I'm into several different ones. So if you're on my teams on any of those three, if you need help, let me know. I am here for you guys all the time. You know, that's what I based my whole life on. Most of my life is like 15, 20 years straight of helping others out. So it's like, it's in my blood, man. I'm here to help out anybody. I did tech support 4 years, customer service 15 years plus. So I am way overqualified to run a team. I truly think so. Too easy, okay? Come on now. Military experience, leadership experience for the military as well. So let's get this done. We're gonna attack this thing. We're gonna make some serious money here, and I've been pretty excited. I mean, I know everybody says this. If I can do this, you can do this, but it's absolute truth. If I can do this, you can. There's nothing holding you back. Nothing special about me. My videos, I'm no good at doing videos. They can tell. I mean, come on. Okay, I make a lot of mistakes in my videos, but somehow it sort of clicks with people because they see that I'm human and I'm not trying to say I'm better than anybody else. Obviously, I'm not, because if I was, I wouldn't even want to say it anyways. It's just not good to do that. But I'm definitely no better than anybody else, that's for sure. I'm this average person, unemployed, lost my job. I have a daughter and, married, and just trying to make money to keep surviving here, man. That's it. I have to pay the mortgage, I have to pay the bills, and hoping to fund. And I'm probably going to start up very soon is get into real estate. So that's going to be one of a larger primary long-term goal, is to learn to start selling homes. It's just it's in my family. My dad was in real estate for like 20 years, even had a broker's license in Texas and Idaho. So he was in real estate forever. So like, it runs in the family. Military, same thing. My dad was in the Air Force. 2 sisters were in the Air Force. I was in the Army, so I was different. I was the rebel. I didn't follow everybody's path in the military, going to the Air Force. I really had no desire in that. The Army was good enough for me, and I loved it. So that's all I got to say there. But now it's time to pick up the reins, and I'm starting late in life. I'm 51 years old, and I'm going to start real estate, which is going to be a challenge in itself. It's always good and positive and negative of all situations. And this is what's crazy about my dad. When I bought my first home, he helped me. We went to the real estate office, and he said, I want the person with the most experience, because there was a kid at the desk who was willing to help us, and it was sort of sad we didn't. So, oh my gosh, he went, I want somebody with experience, and we brought out the oldest person in the office, gray hair, old. I mean, not really old, but he's definitely got some miles, and he's got years under his belt for selling homes. And he was the guy that we chose to take me around, and that's where I bought my first home. So I'm hoping that my gray hair, since it's really starting to come out, is going to help me with selling homes. I'm going to jumpstart that, sort of fake it till you make it. I hate saying that, but, I'm going to have to do something, because, you have to prove to these people they're buying the most expensive investment in their entire lifetime. And you got to convince them, why should they hire you to help them to either buy or sell their home too. So it goes both ways. But there's a lot of things I'm going to learn about that, and I'm pretty confident. My dad has given me some hints too of what to do, what not to do, and what brokerage to look out for when you go into looking for that. But that's a whole different video. I'm going to start making videos about real estate once I really get into this thing and I start making a few deals and stuff. I want to share my journey on that because I'm starting late in life, and I think it's quite unique starting this late in life, at 51 years old, to a totally new career that most people jump in when they're like 18, or not 18, but maybe 20, or their 20s, maybe the 30s. I'm starting way up there in the 50s. So let's see how it goes. You know, I hope age is on my side. Okay, well, guys, I'm gonna let you go. I'm so excited about Livegood. That was a real, true blessing there. That was a nice surprise. I'm really excited about Cliqly. That's been taking off pretty well. And also Livefinity. I got that one pro $100 sale. That was a nice commission. And I got to build that up. I got to focus on that too. But I got to sign off. I got to go. Like and subscribe if you like. And if you like what you see and hear what you see, what is going on there? All right. And check out the links below in the description of this video. Join me on all my teams. Check out the traffic source. The traffic source that's in there called Lee Hero. All right. Signing off. Bye.